How to do a standing kettlebell push press. 1. Start position. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Hold a kettlebell in each hand at shoulder height. Elbows bent and tucked close to your body. Wrists are straight and palms face slightly inward. Neutral grip. 2. Dip. Partial squat. Bend your knees slightly, a quarter to half squat. Keep your chest up and core braced. This dip loads your legs for the press. 3. Drive up. Explosively extend your hips and knees to stand tall. Use that momentum to press the kettlebells overhead. 4. Press and lock out. As you stand up, press the kettlebells overhead until your arms are straight in a V shape. Biceps should end up close to your ears, arms fully extended. Avoid leaning back or arching your lower back. 5. Reset. Lower the kettlebells back to the shoulder position in a controlled motion. Repeat for desired reps. Muscles worked. The kettlebell push press is a powerful compound movement. It targets lower body for the dip drive, quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, calves, stabilizers, upper body for the press, deltoids, shoulders, triceps, upper chest, minor involvement, core and stabilizers, abdominals for bracing, obliques, erector spinae, lower back support, forearms and grip muscles from holding kettlebells. Alternative exercises to kettlebell push press. Here are some effective alternatives that work similar muscle groups. 1. Dumbbell push press. Almost identical to the kettlebell version but with dumbbells. Easier to balance for beginners. 2. Barbell push press. Allows heavier load and works both arms simultaneously. Great for strength building. 3. Kettlebell strict press. Removes the leg drive. Builds pure shoulder and tricep strength. 4. Dumbbell or kettlebell thrusters. Combine a full front squat with an overhead press for a full body burn. 5. Single arm kettlebell push press. Focuses on one side at a time. Great for fixing muscle imbalances. 6. Landmine press. A more joint-friendly alternative that mimics the overhead press at an angle. 7. Arnold press with dumbbells. A variation that incorporates shoulder rotation for increased deltoid activation. Please check my next video.